Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. We have another unboxing today. I always get worried when I order items like this because they are very fragile with irreplaceable glass. So this one has a little bit of mishandling going on. I don't hear much rattling, so I think they packed it really well. Let's hope it's complete. Photos were very minimal, but the price was okay. It was average. Had to show seller comps and stuff because they were at way too much initially. But like I said, I always get worried when I order items like this, but we'll see. We're committed to the video now, man. I made the initial cut. Oh, packing popcorn. Oh no. I hate packing popcorn. Look at that. Oh, I gotta get another box. They need to ban this stuff. Let's see, do I have a box? Yeah, I can use this box. I don't have to destroy your guys' ears with this tape gun. The last one of these I ended up blinding myself. So a lot of people say these things look like something from Ghostbusters. It could. Add a pedal to it. I hate packing popcorn. This stuff, I'm using a box and trying to be careful. And but right to repair. It is in rules, so it should get set for a floor vote on the Senate. And if it passes that, I should know any minute now. I think they convened at 3:30 p.m. today. Yeah, it should be almost done, so I'll go watch the video and post that. That video will probably appear before this. So, well, I would say this is packed pretty well, so good seller. I really didn't need this, but I was trying to help somebody and get a feeler for price to see what the minimum this seller would go. I could use it. I have another video I'm going to be doing showing a similar item. I don't know if I'm going to release that and then release this video. I'll figure it out. Get some room in here to lift this out. It's going to help my operations a lot. The other one, or the other item. Oh, I just gave it away. But oh man, things are heavy. And this was local. This came from a little bit further north of me, up in Chehalis, Washington. So these are getting rare, but if this is an Eprom eraser, by the way, if you can't tell from the description. But I think I'm going to get a little bit more cryptic on my descriptions, because when I'm cryptic on the titles of the YouTube, I get a lot more views. But I really don't like cryptic, clicky baity titles when I'm watching YouTube. Kind of sucks when a creator does that, but I do appreciate every single one of my subscribers, you know. Okay, I'm gonna have to destroy the bag this is in. And these razor knives are cheapy Harbor Freights. They're going stuff for like 60 cents. They last quite a long time. I use them for other things too than cutting and opening stuff. You know, there's little snappable blades whenever you screw the tip up. Look at this. This looks like it's in decent condition. Hard to tell in some of the seller's photos, but we're gonna plug it in, see if it works. I didn't see, I don't think this had pictures of if it had the tray in it or not. We'll find out. Yep, it's got rotten conductive foam and a tray. Yeah, on my, I got to remove the foam. And here's my current tray. I put my 3D print trays and put the chips to maximize the volume. So with the foam in there, it makes it too high. So I'll bring the other one over here in a minute. We'll compare. Because they made the same model number and they did slight variations in these. So we will. These put out 254 nanometers only. They don't put out 185. There is some information out there that 180 or 185 nanometers puts oxide on the silicon die in the chip. But generally the quartz glass window on the chip, that generally blocks 185 and only lets in 254 nanometers. But I don't think anybody's actually, you know, used the tester and tested that. Would be nice. I don't have a tester. I've looked at the price of a tester and I'm not going to buy a tester. I am not like Louis Rossmann that'll spend $5,000 to test a updraft or downdraft table. Just to prove a point. It's got a little corrosion, so it's been sitting for a while on the plug. Let's just plug this in. I didn't check and see if we can see in there and see the lamp. I don't know if you guys can see the lamp inside there. Yeah, you can't. But this has got a grid lamp. It's got a safety switch so you cannot operate it. Whatever you do, don't take these apart and turn it on with the lamp outside. Very brief exposure will burn holes in your cornea and send you to the ER. Trust me, I know. Okay, so when I turn this on, we get nothing. Bummer. Bummer, it's dead. And those should light up. That internal bulb should light. Turn past 15, then set time. Well, is there this one ain't got a switch, does it? So, bummer. I'll have to investigate. But that one seems to be dead. That was not a good deal then. I'll show you this one here. This is a little older one.